In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Broker's Watchlist. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, organized list of symbols you care about and manage it with confidence inside the Interactive Broker's client portal. First, log into the client portal using your preferred web browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Find the Research section and click it to expand the options, then choose Watchlist. This is where all your lists live, and where you'll build a new one from scratch. The layout is straightforward, so don't worry if you're new. Everything you need is right on this page. To create a new list, look for the New Watchlist option. It's often shown as a plus button, sometimes near the bottom right. Click that to start a fresh list. You'll be prompted to name it. Pick something descriptive so it's easy to identify later. For example, tech stocks, energy watch, or ETFs to review. Clear names help when you build multiple lists for different strategies or sectors. When you're happy with the name, click Save. You now have an empty watch list ready to fill. Next, start adding tickers. Click into the entry box at the top of the list and begin typing either the company name or its ticker symbol. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Press Enter or select from the drop-down to move forward. You'll be asked to choose the correct instrument type, stock, ETF, or futures, since many symbols exist in more than one form. Pick the exact one you intend to track, so your watch list reflects the right market. When you've added everything you want for now, click Save to confirm the changes. Anytime you want to add another symbol later, just start typing its name or ticker in the same entry box and select it from the suggestions. If you change your mind about a symbol, look for the delete or minus icon next to it and click to remove it. This only takes the symbol off your watch list. It doesn't affect any positions you might hold. Finally, keep the list tidy by reordering tickers. You can drag and drop to arrange them in the order you prefer, or use the list's edit mode to adjust their placement. Put your highest priority symbols at the top for quick scanning. That's it. Log in, navigate to Research, create and name your watch list, add the right instruments, save your changes, and maintain it by adding, removing, and reordering symbols whenever you need.